Hello and welcome. This is Cara Brandon and it's Friday, so that means Friday Freebie, and this one is for August 20th, and it's gonna match the new Ocean Hues kit. So I found some cool ship ephemera and some other things that I thought would be a great addition to the kit. Sorry, my dog. He's moving around. Kibbles, lay down. All right, there we go. Okay. So let's take a look. All I've done so far, just lay down, buddy. All I've done so far is back it on some craft cardstock and ink the edges. But look at this one with the old ships. Very cool. And here's a postcard, and I added this dolphin image. I don't know, I couldn't find a lot of happy dolphins. I guess back in the day they drew angry dolphins. And here's a map of Europe that I thought was awesome. Here's another old ship, actually a yacht. Pretty neat. And then this one I thought was really fun. It reminded me of the Tim Holtz his stamps that he has that has the diagrams, but it's a diagram of the dolphin and the fins and all the different parts on this old paper. And here's another cool ship. And then there's a couple labels. This one says the ocean is calling. And then lastly we have the anchor, and then this really cool I call it a seed compass. Oh my gosh, there's the word. Really cool. So let me show you. If you haven't seen the flip through of the kit, this is why I thought this ephemera would be fun. Here you kind of see like this. Doesn't that just go so well? And then the blues in the background. That's really fun. So yeah, I thought, oh, that would be really fun to go with this kit. And look at this one with the ships. Be perfect. And add this on as a tuck spot. Kind of fun. And there's the seahorses, some shells. It's kind of fun. Another page. And then the turtles. And this one with the fish. Some starfish. Maybe the dolphin as a tuck spot with the starfish. That'd be fun. And then we also have the other pieces of ephemera that are in the kit. There we go. And then lots of labels and tabs and tickets. And lots of sea life, and then some fussy cut corner tucks. And then a collage sheet. And then we have our tags and our small tags, and then our backing sheets. So I thought these pieces would just look really fun to go along with the kit. If you haven't purchased the Ocean Hues kit, it is still on sale through today for 40% off. I'm not going to do a make today because I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I still need to kind of collect my stuff. I'm still wrapping up some sunflower things, so I then need to switch over to ocean. So I don't have a lot of my ocean stuff pulled out, but I wanted to get the video up for Freebie Friday, so you guys who have purchased the kit can have some fun ephemera to add to your kit. All right. Yeah, so I hope you have a wonderfully crafty Friday and a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.